This might be the funniest sport I've ever seen.
This is St. Peter's Basilica. This place is so architecturally stunning, with so much history. And it even has an amazing climb you can do to get a great view of the city. But I'm not going to leave you waiting any longer. Let's explore this place.
These sit like really tight. Oh, it's not that long. There's even a rope down. Good now. Think we're at the top. Hey. Okay. This high. Not gonna go too far. Wow, that's a great view, though. Highly recommend doing it unless you're like extremely claustrophobic, like my mom. Yeah.